Akwaaba, Ghana, listen close, menu. We are not the body, the skin is just a suit we wear. Inside we're spirit, soul, shining and eternal. And Krishna is the supreme soul, the Father who is there. So tribe or religion, color or name, let's not fight at all. Yen you now one family, let love be our call. Be happy for your neighbor, lend a hand, be true. And chant together, peace will start with me and you. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sing it loud, sing it soft, let the good love grow. Hare Krishna, let the whole land know. Live in goodness, clean heart, clean words, clean way. Mercy is the power that can brighten every day. And animals are also souls, our sisters and our brothers. Different bodies now, but one Father for all others. For money, don't be cruel, no cow, no chicken cries. Would you hurt the helpless just because they can't reply? Choose kindness on your plate, let compassion be your art. Violence is strength that makes a human heart. Saints teach, when we protect the weak, our own hearts heal. So let mercy lead the day, make your love real. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sing it loud, sing it soft, let the good love grow. Hare Krishna, let the whole land know. If you want this joy, come meet us, medaase, you're welcome. Medie and Accra and Kumasi near us, please come. Twumduase in Kumasi and Nkawkaw on the way. On Sundays there is Prasadam, blessed veggie food to share. Take these books to guide your life, Bhagavad-gita, words so bright. Science of self-realization, perfect questions, clear your sight. Read online too, medaase. Anytime you roam and bring a friend, come chant with us, come home. Even Steve Jobs walked miles for a Sunday feast like this. One good meal, a grateful heart, a moment of simple bliss. Hare Krishna,